Hi everyone. So next we want to make a general case of amortization table for bonds. Okay, at first the coupon is CG. So coupon for every year is CG. So next we want to get the book value at time 0. And by price formula, and actually the premium and the discount formula, that you can get this as C plus CG minus CI, a right angle N, I. So you can see actually the price discount formula is P minus C is equal to this second term, but if we move C to the other side, then the book value becomes this. Then after that, we can calculate interest rate. Okay, so interest rate for the first period is what? So I1 is equal to interest rate times B naught. So you can multiply I by C plus CG minus CI, a right angle NI. So this is equal to I C plus CG minus CI times 1 minus Vn over I. And here you can see the I cancel. So this I and this I cancel. So then this becomes, at first I times C, so CI, and then plus CG minus CI, then I cancels, and times 1 minus Vn. Okay, so this further simplifies CG. Okay, so we change the CI to CG, so we add basically CG minus CI. So actually we add this one. So we have already used this CG minus CI times 1. Then remaining term is actually minus CG minus CI times Vn. So interest paid is interest earned, actually. Interest earned is CG minus parenthesis CG minus CI times Vn. Okay, so now we can calculate the write down. Write down is just principal repaid for the loan, so coupon minus interest earned. So this amount is, okay, so CG cancel, so CG minus CI times V to the power N. So the remaining part is just the same. So N becomes N minus 1. So this becomes C plus CG minus CI, a right angle AN minus 1 I. Then next term, just N becomes N minus 1. So CG minus CI Vn minus 1. So this time, this becomes CG minus CI V to the power N minus 1. Then C plus CG minus CI, a right angle N minus 2I, and so on. Then finally, this is CG, maybe, yeah, CG minus CI V2. So we subtract this from CG. So this becomes CG minus CI V2, then finally CG minus Cg minus Ci V. So this becomes Cg minus Ci V. Okay, so the last one, so this balance at n minus 1 is C plus Cg minus Ci a right angle 1 I, then finally A0, but that is disappears, so this is C. So this is amortization schedule. So one important feature is write down. So think about this cash flow, this write down, not cash flow. So this is again geometric sequence. So to proceed 1 year, when we proceed 1 year, we multiply the V inverse. So, or we can multiply the V, so 1 plus I, so V inverse. So PT is equal to Cg minus Ci times V to the power n minus t plus 1. So actually the write down grows at the rate of 1 plus I. So write down grows at the rate of V inverse, or 1 plus I. So this is the same as amortization schedule for loan. Okay, so see you then.